In this video, we will talk about how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10. Method 1. Enable Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Look for your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on Wi-Fi adapter and click on Enable. Then check if it helps to fix your issue. Method 2. Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. Here, search for WLAN Auto Config. Right-click and select Restart. And check if it helps to solve your problem. Method 3. Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click and open any browser. Copy-paste the link given in the description and press Enter. You simply need to buy an external Wi-Fi adapter. Then connect it with your laptop or desktop, and your Wi-Fi icon will show up. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.